Sure, like, subscribe, and your notification bell to see my own videos. Thanks for support. If you could enjoy my Marcus Made cake, thanks for coming on it. Oh, I crush. Now what did I do over the nose? Did I do over the here?
Excuse me, are you ready to go to the bathroom, please?
Oh, I. That was the other here. That was the episode.
Yeah, I hear you right over there. So every now and then, what do you have to do? Yowie? What do you have to do is, yeah, I prefer idea to do all evening. Yeah, I already know it here. So they know that the time. I was up on the way. Yeah, I hear you like that to know that. Boo, 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 boo. Oh no! Why, Bob? Why you ever know to know what the end is or what it is? Shut up, Bob! I'm gonna get your anyway.
Visible. What did I know? Did I know the know?
Also, what do you know there to do? Do that right now and be a Bob. What did they know there?
Yeah, what the hell they know? Oh, this police. Yeah, you did full out fire over the New Year. Goodbye, you too. Bye. He doesn't matter why I don't know. But we did the what did you know? No guys made a ball. Me did the caillou was arrested.
Come with what now, Rogers? Caillou. No, this is a jail cell. Why did you know what it is? So kindly, what it is? Go to sleep right now. Wow.
Oh no!
Where's my caillou? Why? I cannot believe what I've been down the air. It doesn't matter that I was to the caillou to the right. Bob said to the back. Oh, she said that that's it. You know?
Bob! They did go they did the years. Yes, I'll go police right now. Oh no!
Bob, we are on the way to the fire alarm that we back for Caillou and Bob it. Take care of the police come right now go to jail.
Oh no!
Bob, you should be ashamed on our way there, buddy. Where did the crowd take to the 3 years after you know? Stay in the cell. Right there, Peter. Also, Caillou, my dad is coming now. How do you do that the way they grounded the years? Stay in the cell and also don't speak of my way.
Oh no! Oh no! Bob, how dare you pull the fire alarm with the behavior of the caillou at the school? That's it. We are grounded for 19,690 years. Go to sleep right now. Oh no.